Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf radiyallahu anhu states, on the day of Badr, I was standing in the rank. I looked toward my right and left to see 200 boys of the helpers. I wished to be flanked by strong men. Meanwhile, one of them beckoned towards me and said, "O uncle, do you recognize Abu Jahl?" I said, "Yes." "What do you have to do with him?" He said, "I have come to know that he reviles Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. By him in whose possession my soul is, if I see him, I will not detach from him until one of us whose death has been decreed early must die." Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf says, I got astonished at his talk. Then the other signaled to me and said the same. Immediately thereafter, I glimpsed Abu Jahl going around among the people. I said, "Don't you see this as the man about whom you were inquiring?" Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf says, hearing it, they pounced upon him, struck him with their sword, and killed him. Then they both entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and apprised him of this incident. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Who has killed him?" Each of them said, "I have finished him." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, "Have you wiped the blood off your swords?" They submitted, "No." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam examined the swords and said, "Both of you have killed him, but Muaz bin Amr bin Jammu will be given his belongings." They were Muaz bin Amr bin Jammu and Muaz bin Afra. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4544.